Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix NaN error in JavaScript. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. NaN, or not a number, is usually used to indicate an error condition for a function that should return a valid number, but it can be converted to 0 using JavaScript. We will discuss how to convert the NaN to 0. So the first is using isNaN method. The isNaN method is used to check whether the given number is NaN or not. If isNaN returns true or number, then it assigns the value to 0. So the next is using operator. If number is any falsy value, it will be assigned to 0. And now the next method is using ternary operator. Here the number is checked via ternary operator. Similar to 1, if NaN it converts to 0. In this example, while executing the code on our IDE or on our browser, check the console F12 to see the result. Using strictly equality operator, JavaScript strictly equality operator is used to compare two operands and return true if both the value and the type of operands are the same. To convert NaN into 0 using the operator, first comparing NaN value with 0. If the comparison is successful, NaN is returned, otherwise 0 is returned. Now the next is using the double tide operator. You can use the double tide operator in JavaScript to convert NaN to 0. The double tide is bitwise operator that performs a bitwise not operation twice, effectively converting non-numeric value to 0. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching.